Third problem, if NPR equal to 720, NCR equal to 120, find N and R. Here given NPR equal to 720 and NCR equal to 120. From these two I want to find the value of N and R. Okay, so now I can take this NPR. That formula for NPR is N factorial divided by N minus R factorial, which is nothing but 720 from the given data. And then NCR is also given. The formula for NCR equal to N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial, which is nothing but 120. It's also given in the problem itself. Okay, so I want to take this as first equation and this is as second equation. So dividing the equation 1 by 2, we'll have N factorial by N minus R factorial divided by the next one. So I can take this as the reciprocal. So into reciprocal of this R factorial into N minus R factorial divided by N factorial equal to 720 by 120 on the right hand side. And then I can cancel this N minus R factorial and N minus R factorial here, and then N factorial and N factorial I can cancel here. So the remaining things are R factorial at the left hand side, and the right hand side I can cancel on 0 and 0, then it will be 6 times. So I will have 6. So it will be R factorial equal to 6. That 6 can be written as 3 into 2 into 1, isn't it? So I can write this as 3 factorial. So that R factorial equal to 3 factorial, it's nothing but R equal to 3. So I have R equal to 3. I want to find the value of N now. So substitute in equation 1. So N factorial by N minus, instead of R I want to put 3. So 3 factorial equal to 720. This N factorial can be written as N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 factorial, because at the denominator we have this N minus 3 factorial. So till this N minus 3 factorial I want to write at the numerator, and then I can cancel both numerator and denominator, this N minus 3 factorial. So the remaining things are N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 equal to, this 720 can be written as 9 into 8 is 72 into 10 is 720. So in order I want to write this as 10 into 9 into 8 here. Therefore here I can equate the thing N equal to 10. You can equate anything there. N minus 1 equal to 9, that is also N equal to 10. And N minus 2 equal to 8, that is also N equal to 10. Okay. Fourth sum. Prove that 15C3 plus 2 into 15C4 plus 15C5 equal to 17C5. Here I want to take the left hand side, 15C3 into 2 into 15C4 plus 15C5. Okay. So now I want to write this as, split this 2 into 4 15C4 as 15C4 plus 15C4. I want to split like this. Okay, I want to group that thing also. So I group that 15C3 plus the first 15C4 plus the second 15C4 plus 15C5. Like this I want to group here. And then here in the first bracket I have 15C3 plus 15C4. Okay, it's in the form of NCX plus NCX minus 1 equal to N plus 1 Cx. This x plus 1 term is here. This one, x is nothing but 4 here. Okay, so I can write this as N plus 1 here. N plus 1 is 15 plus 1, that is 16. So I can write this first bracket as 15C4. X is 4 here. So 16C4 plus, in the second bracket also the same thing I want to write the formula NCX plus NCX minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CX. Here X is 5 and X minus 1 is 4. So N plus 1 is 16 and X is 5 here. So I can write this as 16C5. Okay. Again I want to write this as, this is X here. This is X minus 1. N is 16. So I want to write the same formula, use the same formula here. 16 plus 1 is 7. See, X is 5 here. Therefore, now I have on the right hand side 17C5. Fifth sum, prove that 35C5 plus sigma R equal to 0 to 4, 39 minus R C4 equal to 40C5. Here also I want to take the left hand side, 35C5 plus sigma R equal to 0 to 4, 39 minus R of C4. Okay, here this sigma is nothing but R equal to 0 to 4 is nothing but from 0 to 4, summation of R from 0 to 4. So I want to expand that thing here. So I have 35C5 is given already. If R equal to 0 here, I can have 39C4. If R equal to 1, I have 38C4. If R equal to 2, I have 37C4. If R equal to 4, I have 36C4. Plus the last term is given already in the 35C4 equal to, we want to prove that 40C5 here. Okay. And then now I want to group the thing by using the same formula here. Okay, so here I can have this 35C5 and this 35C4. I want to group these two. Okay, so 35C5 and 35C4. Okay, now look at here. Here the same formula I want to use here, that NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to N plus 1 CR. Here R is 5 and R minus 1 is 4 here. N is N plus 1 is 36, isn't it? So I can have 36C5. So I have 36C5. Along with this, I want to group this thing now, 36C4. So 36C5 plus 36C4. Keep the remaining things as it is there. So in this first the bracket also, I want to use the same thing here. So the same formula I can use here for this. So here R is 5 and N plus 1 is 36 plus 1, so that we can have 37C5. Now I want to group this 37C4 along with this answer. So 37C4. Keep the remaining things as it is there. These two things I kept already like this. And then by using the same formula I can use for this. N plus 1 is 38. Here R is 5. So 38C5. Along with this I want to group this 38C4, that is here. Keep this 39C5 as it is. Okay, now again I want to use the same formula even here also in the bracket there. So for this N plus 1 is 39, R is 5, so 39C5. So the answer is 39C5. Along with this I want to group this 39C4. So now also again I want to use the same formula. So N plus 1 is 39 plus 1, that is 40, and here R is 5. So 40C5, that is the required right hand side for us.